Our little girl is doing a really good job lately of sitting up by herself. Aren't you? Yeah. And today we noticed two little teeth that are just starting to poke through on the bottom. So big changes for Leah. She's 6.5 months old now and just growing and changing, aren't you? Aren't you? Are you busy with your toys? Hi. You don't have time for me, do you? She's so sweet. Getting so big so fast. Yay, you got it. You got it. Good girl, Leah. Good job.